Vanakkam, Namaskaram, and a very warm welcome to all of you. Today we will talk about a very big duty assigned to Sri Rajat Kumar ji by Lord Murugan himself. He was asked to conduct 6 yagams, 5 yagams to be based on the Panchabhutas, and the 6th yagam to be based on the time element. All these yagams had a very powerful purpose behind it to make India economically more stronger, more powerful, and a Vishwaguru, a leader to the world. The first yagam was held in Palani on 15th of August 2021. It was based on earth element. It was called Sakand Bharat Mahayagam. Post this yagam, we saw that India rose economically to the 5th position in the world. The second yagam was held on 4th of December 2022 in Chennai. It was based on the water element. This yagam was performed to spread the significance of the Chola kings and the Tamil language and culture throughout the world. Post this yagam, we saw that the Sengol was installed in the new parliament building by the Prime Minister himself, and the peacock symbol was also incorporated in the new parliament building at New Delhi. The third yagam was held on 15th of August 2023, and this yagam was based on air element. This yagam was conducted to open a spiritual path between India and China, and this would have a positive relation on the geopolitical ties between the two countries. Post this yagam, we saw that the trade relations between India and China improved, and even the tensions at the border, India-China border, also reduced. The fourth yagam was held on 15th of August 2024 at Ujjain. This was based on the space element, and it was called Palani Ujjain Kartike Mahayagam. This yagam was conducted to connect the energy pathways between Palani and Ujjain and to make India a more stronger country. This yagam was also organized so that the Indian army receives the blessings of the Dev Senapati, Murugan Peruman, Lord Murugan. Fourth yagam had one more purpose behind it: to remove the divide which exists in India today between the South India and the North India. The fifth yagam will be based on the Agni element. It is proposed to be conducted in the year 2026 only. However, the date, the time and the venue has not been decided yet. The purpose of the fifth Agni Yagam is to remove the negative energies which are obstructing the growth and the prosperity of India. And post this Yagam, we will see that nothing can stop India from becoming a leader to the world, a Vishwaguru. One more Yagam will be held, which is based on the time element. Thank you for watching. Namaste. Jai Murugan. Jai Bharat.